Welcome to my home, YouTube. So I'm going to start doing paintless dent repairs at my Meineke Center. And this is my Amazon package. Let's see if there's a part number on it. Probably not, right? So this is their paintless dent repair kit. I think it was like 36 bucks. So that's what that looks like. And then it gives you the instruction sheet. Ooh, a little tutorial on how to fix dents and use the stuff. Very cool, very cool.
Sorry.
It's this little black magic cloth for cleaning your glasses. So this is the slide hammer rod, glue gun, scraper, different tips. I guess the rest of the assembly for the slide hammer. Plenty of glue sticks. And then this here glues onto certain different size dents, and then you clip it on your slide hammer. So I'm not going to assemble any of this right now, but I just wanted to show you what the contents were. Scraper, attachments for different dents and dings, glue rods, more attachments, a little teeny tiny glue gun, slide hammer, a little baby hammer. What I don't see is, I guess this is what they want you to use for the soft tap and tips. I'm not sure. I'll have to see what else. And I also ordered some other tools that I'll bring you back and show you. But this is from Amazon. Excuse me. Thanks for watching.